How to fix can't install Messenger error on App Store. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, start with the basic. Check your internet connection. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and check that if you are connected with a stable Wi-Fi network or not. You can also check your mobile data connection, or you can try switching between the two. Once done so, all you have to do is go back to your home screen. Once there, tap on the settings app available. Then once you tap on the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the general button available in there. Once inside the general, tap on the software update and make sure that you are up to date to the latest version of iOS. Sometimes the software updates bug can also cause issues on App Store, so make sure that you are updated to the latest version. Now, once all of these are checked, all you have to do is go back to the home screen and tap on the Safari web browser. Yes, if you are not being able to download Messenger from the App Store, then all you have to do is go to the Safari and search for the Messenger app and download it or install it via App Store. Search for the Messenger app and at the top you can see Messenger App Store install option available. Now tap on the install and you will be redirected to the App Store and it will be installed to your device. And that will be. If you found this very helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.